Today I draw how to make watercolor. So this is plan and I put that. So what's isometrics and I draw a wall face. I use diffuse command. Firstly, like this. About 7 feet, and I use polyline command and for flow. Like that. And offset about 1 feet to the outside, and AQs and minus about 1 feet, like that. And I see which realistic or like that. And I use it change face to face, yeah. And we use map browser command. And select face with face command, like that. And I change with my browser, like that. And then this one, select wall, like that, like that. And I change this color. Okay, this one, select wall, select, I change all this color. Oh, very beautiful. And this wall, this wall, this wall, and this wall. I change which color, and this. You can choose colors in the browser, like that. What colors you can choose. You select all face and then you can change, like that. Yeah. And then you can change floor, floor color, floor green, floor, like that. This is floor, and outside wall we can change also. So I use one color. I change this color. Yeah, I think it's good. Blue, this one. Blue. Yeah, I think it's perfectly good like that. Okay, to read it, that's all.